Hello and welcome to this week's YouTube channel update. Firstly, I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who's watched the videos. It's much appreciated. If you're watching the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, give us a like. That would be great if you can do that, please. If you haven't subscribed to my page, don't forget to do that. Hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. All it does, it lets you know when the next video comes on. And if you're watching the videos, don't forget to watch the whole video. It's much appreciated if you can watch it all. Much appreciated. Thank you. Of quite a few people have been asking me over on the Facebook page what's open sort of this time of year now. The season, well, now the summer holidays finish, should I say. A lot of places obviously still will be open. The amusement arcades, they are open. Most of them are open all year round. The only day a lot of the amusement arcades are shut is Christmas Day. So yes, they are open on Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, all over Christmas and New Year, and into the New Year as well. The amusement arcades, most of them never close, and that's the same up at Hemsby as well. They'll be open every day apart from Christmas Day. Joyland, that was only open weekends now. So Joyland's only open weekends, apart from the last week in October at half term. Then it'll be open every day, and then it closes then until next year. Reopens mid to late March next year, and that's same as at the up at the Pleasure Beach as well. That's only open weekends now, apart from the last week in October, same as Joyland. Then it's closed then until next year. The open top bus, what goes up and down the seafront, and also the bus what goes up to Hemsby and through Caister and Scrapby. That runs, according to their website, until the end of September. So that's only going to run for about another 9 or 10 days now until that finishes. The what else is this? This is the Sea Life Centre that opens every day. It's only closed for about 3 days over Christmas. So the next video will be coming on tomorrow, on Saturday, the next video, and then there will be one midweek as well. Tuesday, possibly Wednesday, there'll be another video on, so we've got 2 videos coming next week, and then there'll be another update on Friday next week. So again, thank you for everybody who's watching the videos. It's much appreciated. We're trying to get as many sort of subscribers as possible, so as I said, don't forget to subscribe if you a member on YouTube, and also don't forget there is the Facebook page as well. If you've not seen the Facebook page, there's over 20,000 followers on the Facebook page, and there is videos put on the Facebook page as well, and there will be different videos. I won't put the same videos on the same day on YouTube and Facebook. There will be different videos on different days. if you got a business on the seafront and you want me to announce on here when you're open till, when you're closing, when you're reopening next year, anything like that, just drop us a message. I can announce it on here. It won't cost anything. It's free. Just have a look at the other one. Don't forget, as well as the Facebook page, I am on Instagram. So I do put photos on Instagram every day as well. And I'm also on Twitter, or X as they call it now. So you can always join all my platforms. The people that operate these lights, I can't remember why they've done it, but they put the lights onto pink for some reason. They did announce it on Instagram, the people that run the lights. If I remember why, I'll put it in the comments, but it's they put all the lights to pink. Right, that's about it for this update. So thank you very much for watching. It's much appreciated.